Nurse Nancy is in the middle of a busy shift when a device starts acting up. Instead of tracking down a phone number or logging into a desktop system, she opens the Team Champs app on her mobile device. She scans the equipment barcode and speaks the issue. Team Champs automatically captures the site, department, asset ID, make, and model, so Nancy doesn't have to type anything. The request flows directly into the CMMS as a corrective work order. Now here's what the technician sees. The work order arrives with real context. TechConnect's AI analyzes Nancy's description against historical service data for that specific make and model, how this issue has shown up before, how it was fixed, and what parts were typically required. That insight is added directly to the ticket as recommended repair guidance. If a replacement part is usually needed, the technician is prompted to bring it on the first visit. The result is better planning, fewer surprises, and a much higher chance of first trip resolution. Devices are restored to service faster, clinical disruption is reduced, and teams on both sides have a better experience. That's Tech Connect, connecting clinical teams, technicians, and data to deliver smarter, more predictable service outcomes, right in the palm of your hand.